From 1965 to 2025, 60 years, a nation writes progress in every ray of light. We don't just make a screen, but peace, 60 years of stories for everyone with thousands of pixels. From sun to rain, from real-time sync to seamless splicing, every detail lays the foundation for a perfect celebration. When the screen lights up, what we see is not just light, but pride in everyone's eyes. Shenzhen SHLED Technology is honored to stand with Singapore, lighting the next 60 years. With the warm TH of technology,